guys, today's video is gonna be a very short but sweet little video on how it is that I do my eyebrows and the products that I use to make my eyebrows nice and bushy and, you know, carved out without doing that much carving out. So the first product that I want to share that I love, it's a dupe for a much more expensive product from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I feel that this product is such a great comparison to that other product, and the price point is different. I think the Anastasia Beverly Hills one is about $18 to $20, and this one runs for under $10 at the drugstore. So this is the Loreal Eyebrow Stylist Definer, and I love it. The color that I usually use is the light brunette, I believe is the color, light brunette, and it's perfect if you have some sort of reddish hue to light brown type of color on your hair. So make sure that you have a nice mirror that you can look at yourself close enough so that you can do the eyebrows in the way that you want it. First, I'm just gonna start filling them in. Any area that you see that is lacking hair or color, you just wanna fill them in by doing like little swipes of color with your pencil. And now here in this little corner, I'm going to start sort of creating a hair-like motion as to mimic natural hair growth. Here I'm gonna kind of carve out a little bit, shape it up with the pencil. And I love this pencil merely because it's so nice and fine, and it does create the shape you want on your eye, on your eyebrow. I'm not very keen on filling this area out that much, but I also don't like leaving it without color. Only because eyebrows are not naturally super light in this area and super dark here. You want sort of like a cohesive look from beginning to end. Another thing I forgot to mention is that your eyebrow should start where the corner of your eye starts. So if you see, there's a perfect alignment between my eye and the eyebrow. Then you can sort of elongate this corner or make this a little archy if that's the look that you're going for. I particularly do love that look because it does lift your eyes out, as you can see. Difference between this one and this one. I've always heard that the thicker the eyebrow, the younger your face will look. So gone are the days of very, very fine, thin eyebrows. If you have thin eyebrows, I highly recommend that you utilize a pencil to fill them in and make them as thick as you are comfortable having them, just so that they frame your face in a really nice way. Okay, so this eyebrow is done. I'm gonna go in now to my other eyebrow. First, I'm gonna start filling them in. Doing little hair strokes motion. And then you always maybe want to take a step back and look at a mirror that's a little farther out so that you can see if the eyebrows are in good shape. So I like what I see. They do look a tad bit dark. So I am going to, with the spoolie end, just gonna comb them in the direction that the hair is growing. Want to make a tad bit more of a corner here, a little bit more here too, elongation here a little bit for me, because this one is typically much longer than the other one. Okay. The way that I groom my eyebrows, you guys, I love doing it with by the threading method. I go to a local salon around here. There is a lady from India that is an expert doing eyebrows, and she does the threading, and I just love the way that she shapes them. Really, really nice. So if you want to clean up a tad bit, you can always take a concealer type brush like this, and then you can use your concealer, and then with that tip I just wet it there for a little bit, and this is how you will carve it out so that they look nice, clean, and very shapely. If you feel like the color from the pencil just got in a little too far out in the very, top of the brow, you can also do some cleanup there. I typically don't do it, but you can. And that's it, you guys. Now, as the very, very last step, you can set them with some sort of brow gel or tinted gel. I typically love utilizing this Mary Kay Volumizing Brow Tint. This is in the color Dark Blonde. Very gently, just run through the brow. And voila, it's done. Then I just like to go back with the spoolie and make them a little bit more bushy. Perfect example if by any chance the color got a little bit messy, you just go back with the pencil, with the brush and the concealer, and clean that out. That's it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, and I'll see you next week.